What is up, guys, and welcome back to Double O's Garage. In this video I'm going to be replacing my coil pack harness, and I'm also going to be installing ECS Tuning's 2.0 coil pack conversion kit. So this is the replacement coil pack harness. In this kit you get the harness, you get a butt connector, you get some terminals, and you get some waterproof seals. For this kit, you are going to be required to cut your factory harness, but ECS Tuning made it pretty simple, where you just have to pin the wires into this butt connector, and then the factory harness connects right into this new harness. So if you look at the connectors on my factory harness, you can tell that most of my tabs are broken. One time when I was driving, I actually had one of these connectors come off, so it caused the engine to misfire. So I don't have to worry about this anymore. I'm just going to replace the whole harness. With that being said, let's get right into the install. So the first thing that I'm going to do is disconnect the battery. Next, I'm going to disconnect the harness from the coil packs. I'm also going to disconnect that ground. Next, I'm just going to cut some of this protective film. Now that the protective wrap is out of the way, I can continue by cutting all the wires. Next, I'm just going to strip all the wires. After stripping all the wires, I installed all the waterproof seals. Next, I'm just going to crimp on all these terminals onto the wires. So now that all the terminals are installed on all the wires, I can go ahead and stick those terminals into the pin connector. For this, I'm going to be following ECS Tuning's pin diagram. So now that I have all the terminals installed into the new connector, I can connect the new harness to the factory harness. So before I reconnect the new harness to the coil packs, I'm going to be installing ECS Tuning's 2.0 coil pack conversion kit. For this, I'm going to have to start by removing these coil packs. So now that everything is installed, I can reconnect the battery. So now that the battery is reconnected, I can finally start up the car. So I'm going to let the car warm up for a few minutes and I'll go for a quick cruise. That way you guys can hear the new hybrid KO4 turbo. If you guys haven't seen my last video of me installing it, make sure to go check it out. With that being said, let's get right into the car. So I hope you guys were able to hear some of those turbo sounds. Other than that, this concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you left a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.